Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today to share with you a little bit about two different hauls from the Sassy Club. Before we get started, I wanted to make sure to encourage you guys that if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and you'll be notified every time there's a new planner. And yeah, so business is done. Let's get down to fun. All right, I've got this darling. This is her new mini kit. And I've already opened this one and I'm sorry. It was all I could do. I couldn't wait. But this one is just darling. So here is the address, thesassyclub.com. And these are the most darling little stamps, and it's all about camping. And it was really funny that I had forgotten that that's what this was all about. And we used to camp all the time with our older two kiddos. And when our youngest was really, really young, she camped all the time. But she's older now, and she's an adult, and she still is here at home going to school, and she doesn't remember much about camping. And I had told my husband the other day, oh, I kind of am missing that. So we started looking for campers again, because we had sold our campers. So anyways, when I got this, I opened it up. I couldn't wait. I was super excited because we're just all about campers right now. We're reading, we're looking, we're, you know how you do. We're dreaming. So with this kit comes this darling stamp set. And it says, planner friends make the best friends. Plan all the things. Notes. This way planner, good times. A snap a picture, and then PLAN. And look, they're so cute. Her little marshmallow. She does little marshmallow people. They're so cute. And this little girl with her balloon and the Quickie Insects camera, and then of course the tent. So super, super fun. Another thing that I'm going to use this with as well, for any of y'all that are doing the Reset Girls summer camp, I'm going to be using some of these in that as well. I'm super excited. And that starts today. So if you haven't signed up yet, go sign up for it. And it's theresetgirl.com. And it is the summer camp. She has a wonderful program. Sorry, my birds are going crazy. So anyway, so here's the washi tape. And let me open that up and we can take a good look at it. But I'm super excited about that as well. Corey is just wonderful, and I think it'll be a lot of fun. So, anyways, but isn't this cute? Let's see here. Let me find the end. There it is. I can't believe I found it. And let me pull this open. And voila, isn't that cute? That is so cute. So you get the two tents, the little marshmallow camper girl, and all the trees. Oh, that is so pretty. Sandra, you outdid yourself. You did such a great job. Alright, so here we go. There's that. And then look at this cute little sticker. I am so excited. I think that's going to go somewhere in my Reset Girl. It's a printout. You print it out, the part that I send it for. So I'm going to put that in my notebook. That is so cute. It feels, it's just so thick. Anyways, but yep, it's a sticker. There's the peel. So alrighty. And then there are the cute, cute, cute little sticky notes. Aren't those cute? Super cute. Alrighty. And then look at the stickers. So there are 4 stickers. And matter of fact, I just placed an order for 4 more of the stickers. For another set of 4, I should say. So I just really love these. I think they're so cute. Good times this way. The tent. Not all who wander are lost. The little backpacks. These are so cute. And then here's more of the, boxes. Little things, reminders to do, to buy. Online shopping. That's cute. And I really love that she does her little thing up there. Her little marshmallow girl. And then here's all the flags. Here are the days of the week. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the little some more. I love that camper too. And what happened there? Oh, I guess I did that. So, okay, so there's 1, 2, 3. I thought there were 4. Huh. I must have miscounted. Anyways, but these are so cute. I love this. So this kit is absolutely charming. I love it. I can't wait to play with it. And yeah, so all right, let's open up the second envelope. And this one, I just got in the mail yesterday. So I'm going to open this baby up. And I think, if I remember right, this is from her sale. She was having a sale. And it is. Yay. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what else. Is that it? Okay, that's it. Alrighty. And, oh, look at those. They're little tutti frutti. They're like kawaiis. Is that right? But anyways, the ones with the little faces. They're so cute. Alright, and it's pink. And then here's her current mood marshmallows. I thought these were so cute. So if you're tracking your moods, I thought that was so cute. So there's that. And then this is I Love October. And that's so cute. So sweet. And then here is Don't Rain on My Panda. That's so cute. Oh, Don't Rain on My Parade. Pardon me, Parade. Happy Valentine's, the hearts, the little rainbow, and then like the Hello Kitty marshmallow. And look for your icons for your listing. There's the little bow ties. That is so cute. Darling. And then this one, I love this one. And as many of you know, our oldest daughter's engaged to get married, so I'm super excited. I figured we could totally use this. So just married, I do. Lovebirds, groom, bride, Mr., Mrs. I have found the one whom my soul loves, forever and ever. Super, super cute, and I love the little birdies. So there's 2 sets. So cute. I love that. And then lastly, I picked up the stickers that match that washi. I have used these before and I love them. They're perfect in a smaller planner. So there you go, guys. That is that. Oh, thanks again, Kristen. That's Sandra. So anyways, this is really cute. Hey there, Sassy Head. That's what she calls everybody who buys from her. So she is super, super sweet. All right, guys. Well, this is my 2 hauls. And I hope you enjoyed it today. The mini kits, I was on her album. She just released her July release today, which today is July 28th. And they are super cute. And I placed that order. And I also picked up some additional ones of these stickers. So the mini kit is still on the website. It may be something she keeps for a while, but I highly recommend it. I think it's really, really cute. So anyways, it's a really good buy. And then these were the sale things she had on sale. So I hit that sale. It was something that she had sent out. So, all right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Most importantly, thank you so much for stopping by. I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. And I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.